Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can refund the buyer on eBay, or how you can issue a refund on eBay. Now it's very simple. I'm going to be showing you actually like multiple ways to refund a buyer. Now if the buyer already opened a dispute against you on eBay, like, and you want to refund the buyer before eBay steps in and helps. Okay, most of the time, by the way, eBay steps with the buyer, so they will refund the buyer on your behalf. Like, even if you don't refund, they will do that automatically, but you don't want to wait for them to refund the buyer. Now if you already like if the buyer already opens a dispute, you can just find here the dispute here. For example, this one, it says here, your funds are on hold due to a request. Click on see or request details, and then you can refund. Okay, there you can just click on refund, and then you will be able to refund the buyer. Now let's say that the buyer didn't open the request. Okay, you want to refund them, didn't open the request. Very simple. Go to the order. If it's still awaiting shipment, you didn't ship the item yet, as you can see, awaiting shipment. Or if it's shipped, you want to click on paid and shipped. Now for example, let's say the buyer didn't receive the item and we didn't ship the item yet. Just click on three little dots and then click on refund, send refund, and then you can enter here the amount you want to send. Now if you want to send the full amount, you can just click on $14.99 and then click send. Okay, now if you just want to send $10, for example, you agreed on that, the item is damaged, but you don't want to refund full refund, you agreed to send half of the refund, you can just add here $7, and then you can send $7 as a refund. Now that's exactly how you can refund the buyer. You can also click on cancel here order if you want to cancel the order altogether, like you want to cancel the order and the full refund will be sent to the buyer. Now if the item is already delivered and you want to send the, click on paid and shipped, and then find the item, keep searching for it, find the item. You can also search by username here. If you know the username or the name of the buyer, just search for it here where it says in the top here. You can search by buyer username or buyer name. I'm going to search by buyer username. And after you find the person you want to send a refund to, click again on three little dots, click on send a refund here. Okay, that's how you can do it. Hopefully this tutorial, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like, and I'm trying to hit 5 likes. If you can do that, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys in the next tutorial.